Congratulations, you made it through the first lesson within the 5 Things BITFA course today. So one thing that always happens with any of, regardless of what system you're using or what computer you're having or anything along those lines, like you always end up with these massive amounts of passwords, usernames, and just a ridiculous amount of verification, authentication number, and those kind of types of data that you have to really keep track of, right? So one of the great tools now that you have your Google account is the Google Ads or Google Drive, right? So before you ever start doing Google Ads or Facebook or anything along those lines, you kind of want to set, again, the proper foundation and keeping track of all of your items, right? So Google actually has a free service called Google Drive, right? It has a lot of different valuable tools in there that you can use, such as Google Docs, which is like a Word doc. You have Google Sheets, which is like Excel. You have slides, which is like PowerPoint. You also have some forms, drawing, Google Maps, Google Sites, and the Jamboard. These are all some organizational apps and some form building software and things that are just going to help you kind of stay on top of your business as far as, keeping all the information as centralized, secure data point or, kind of database, I should say. And then it's also, again, gives you some valuable tools such as Google Forms or the sites, and definitely the sheets that you can utilize to, create presentations or create surveys or things like that for your staff or yourself, right? So I always, whenever I'm getting started with any sort of project, I always make sure that I have this particular sheet up. I have my Collateral Growth passwords up, but all I'm doing is literally it's like a template that I make, right? So I put in here networks, right, username, emails, password, and that way I can just have in one central repository all of the necessary information that I have to have on a daily basis to run my business. Now, I always keep this up 24/7 whenever I'm working online, just because it gives me access, again, to all my passwords that I already have, but it also makes sure that if I have to log into anything or make any snap decisions to access something, to get any tasks done, that I have a central place that I can go back and copy and paste the information and put it somewhere where I can store it and reference it back at a later date so I don't forget all the valuable passwords. With the different systems and authentications standpoints and kind of criteria that different networks have and different sites have, whether or not you have to use special characters, they have to be a certain length. If you look at my different passwords, they're all pretty similar, but they'll have a bunch of special characters or dates or special, items or namings inside of them due to all of the different variations of the requirements on the systems that I have to operate to. And as you're going to see as we go down through this course, right, just in this, you're already creating a Google account. You're going ahead and creating a Webmaster Tools account. Now, thankfully, those are all kind of linchpinned on Google, but at the very last process of this, or very last course of this, is all about the social networks, right? So you're going to have 5 different networks: Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok, plus your Google Ads. All of these different passwords that you're going to have to keep safe. So it's better to start from scratch, just like we're doing within this webinar, and creating the proper foundation for your website. Make sure you keep creating the proper foundation and just organization to keep yourself on track, so you can make sure that you don't ever have to run any problems whenever you're forgetting a password or anything along those lines change. So that's just a helpful tip that I put into practice every single day in my businesses in order to make sure that I stay on top of all the different passwords and usernames that I have to keep track of across the massive amount of systems that I put into use in my business. So hope that was helpful. Again, if you're utilizing either Google Docs or Microsoft has a really good one as well called OneDrive. You might even have some of your stuff through Dropbox. All of these platforms are just really great in their ability to share important information across networks. Another one that I use is actually the password vault is passcodes. Or LastPass, sorry. So that's, one that I used to save all my passwords in. I like to be able to see it more, on a visual nature rather than just having it, stored in some of the lockups. So I actually, duplicate it both. So, that's part of being in a business and being a business owner. A lot of times is making sure that you have everything recorded and validated, but you also have it all backed up. So hope this was valuable to you. Let's jump on to lesson 2, and we'll dive right into getting your Webmaster Tools account set up. Thanks a lot.